Hello and welcome back to Black Note Music Center. In today's tutorial, we are going to be breaking down a very simple song, Creator of the Universe by SYLVIA and LoveworldSingers. In the key of F, I think F to F sharp. So I'll play the song and I'll come back for the breakdown. Thank you. And that's all for the song. As you can hear, the song is very straightforward. So from F to F sharp, then to G. The intro. Then oh Lord God. Intro again. This chord on the left, 4 on the left, we have 4, which is 4 1 4 B flat F B flat. On the right we have D for Daniel, F for faithful, and A for antelope. Four, then 5. These are 5. On the right, C, E, and G. Again. So here on our 6, so it's a D suspended 4. So on the left we have D, then on the right we have D, G, and A. Then you drop your G to F sharp all together. Then 2 3 again. So our 2 on the left, on the right, okay. 3 we have A, E, A. On the right we have C, F, A, and C. Again, all together. Therefore, left, right, okay, all together. Or 4, then 5. Yeah. Then oh Lord God. You see? So yeah. 6. You can see it on left, right, B flat, F, B flat, D, F. Left we have D. Again. Or then 5 then oh Lord God. See? This one. Left, right, the left, right, okay, all together. To the universe. The same thing. If you like, you can play You Glorify 5 your name. But I like to play like this. You glorify. Then this is our intro. So that's that part. Then God of everything, you are my God. Okay. God of everything, you are my all. The ruler of the world, you are my mama, mama, three. Took for long, I know you found you did not. Then you go to oh Lord, so this is F sharp. By now you should know your F sharp. If you've been following, by now you should know the major scale for F sharp. So Lord, so yeah, Lord, then God, I don't want the video to be long. There's nothing much in the song, so that's why I'm rushing. So you can pause, okay, and watch it several times. See this chord? Then you drop it. Down 4, 5, 6. They don't 4, 5. Then again to G. Then the same thing. Oh Lord, oh Lord, yeah, it is. Turn around. So as you can see, nothing much in that song. That's all for the song. I don't want to waste too much of our time, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.